Let's be real. You're good at what you do, but no one knows you exist. You get some referrals here and there, you get some clients here and there. Maybe you've tried running local ads, but the main problem you keep running into is you don't have a local brand. And it is very simple to build a local brand. It's very easy. There's a cheat code in this video that I will reveal to you on how you can start having leads and qualified prospects coming to your page and wanting more information on what you offer every single day. Right? And so first things first, you need to understand something, that no one knows who you are. You consume more content than you produce, and you're not an authority in your city, right? The truth is, whether they buy from you or buy from someone else, for them it doesn't matter because you're all equal, right? Which this gives you a massive advantage, because if you could be one of the first to build a local brand in your city, you will take over. And I've seen it happen over and over and over again. And the clients that do this, they dominate. Like Luke took over his local city and scaled to $220,000 a month. Reyes scaled his video agency to over $100,000 a month in his local city, right? And one's in Utah, one's in Dallas or Austin, Texas. And so many examples of this, of what happens when you take over a local pocket. And so if you're running a video business, content agency, videographer, or even if it doesn't matter, if you want to take over locally, you need to understand these principles. And so first things first, you need to understand that the easiest way to get traffic in is not by going viral. We don't want to go viral. We don't want random people watching your content. The problem is most video businesses or most people think that more views equals more sales, when it's simply not true. Targeted views, targeted leads equals sales. People in your city in a 25-mile radius that can actually afford your service, not tire kickers that want the cheapest product or cheapest price, but real leads that want your service. Like, these people are there and they're buying from someone. It's just not you, because you're not in front of their face every single day. And so I am anti-viral, right? My goal is not to go viral on this YouTube channel on my content. And we've gotten to over $300,000 a month by not going viral, by talking to a specific demographic of people that have specific pain points, and to show them that, hey, we have the solution, right? And so how do we get local leads without going viral? You run a local Instagram ad. You can literally do a super small budget, and you can set this up within 10 minutes. And it's the craziest thing. I have another video on my YouTube channel breaking down how to do it step by step on Business Meta Suite, and how to like convert the leads and set up the audiences and all that. But the point of this video right now is to break down why you need to do this, and the importance of this, and to plant that seed in you where you see the importance of having leads come your way, and have them start seeing who you are, what you could do for them, and have them start understanding that, look, you're an authority. And there's a different mindset shift that happens when a lead comes to you. It's a different shift. When you're always chasing leads, you come off needy. You come off as someone that needs them. You come off as it's just, yeah, it's kind of rough, right? I see people sending cold DMs, cold LinkedIn outreach. Like, dude, that is brutal. That's such a bad strategy. That doesn't work. That worked in like 2017. Right now, you need to run one local Instagram ad, bring people to you, which makes you an authority. Because when someone resonates with the ad, whether consciously or subconsciously, they resonated with the messaging in the ad. They resonated with the fact that they have a specific problem and you have a very specific solution. So if they come in from the ad, they are automatically significantly warmer than you just reaching out to these leads. And so you need to start building your local brand, but something needs to click for you to understand this. You need to realize that the first people that do this win. The first people that do this win, and it is very easy to become extremely recognizable, extremely just take over the city. It's very easy to do this because you're taking over a 25-mile radius. There's what, depending on the city, like 1 million, 2 million people in that radius. And if you're going just after business owners, that gets cut into a fourth. So now you're only targeting 250 people, or 250,000 people. To hit 250,000 people with an ad over and over and over again, you could do that. Like you could hit them all within a month, right? That's what I'm talking about here. You can become an authority in your city, building a local brand, targeting the right type of people. And what happens is some of my clients get recognized at the store, at the mall, at the gym, and this makes it very simple because when you meet with a lead, when you meet with a prospect, whether on Zoom or in-person meetings, which in-person meetings absolutely crush right now, they're gonna be like, dude, I've seen your face every day for the last 6 months. Do you know how easy it is to get a sale when a prospect's like, I've been watching your content. I've seen your face over and over and over again. Every time I open my phone, you're in front of my face. That is building a local brand. That is the power of a local brand. That is what makes you way more money in 2026 and beyond. Because what you're doing is you're building a following, a cult-like following of people that like you for who you are. They like you because they know you can provide a service that will solve their problems. And guess what? People need to like you before they pay for your service. And so, the point of this story, the point of this video is that you need to build a local brand. This is the fastest way to scale your business. This is the easiest way to scale your business, and it's so much easier than you think. It is so simple. I have a video breaking exactly down how to do this. You know what? I'll link it into the description, whatever you call it. I'll add the how to run local ads video for you. That way you understand exactly how this works. So go watch that video, and you need to build a local brand. And here's the thing, in the next year, next 2 years, someone will do this first and you will not be able to catch up to them. You will not be able to catch up to them because they'll be an authority. They'll be the first one and you'll be just a copycat. So you need to be the first in your city. Do it or someone else will. And so go check out the other video on how to do this step by step. Hopefully this helped, and hopefully you're like, damn, I need to get after it. Let's go.